How to use Mint Mobile International feature. To use the Mint Mobile International feature, first things first, you have to purchase a Mint International Pass. To purchase this Mint International Pass, you first of all have to launch the Mint mobile application on your device, then log into your account. Lastly, tap on your account tab, then select the Mint International Pass under the add-ons section and pick a plan. Once you pick your plan, you simply have to activate the Pass Abroad. Once you arrive at your destination, open the application, then select the Active option. Now, once you activate it, all you have to do is simply use it. You can also track your balance, utilize the Wi-Fi calling, and also there is free North America roamings available. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.